Top 5 Best air conditioner heater combo, reach its extreme, either extremely hot or freezing. Thus, we need a machine which has the capacity to help us deal with such climate change circumstance, i.e. an air conditioner or heater to maintain the temperature inside our home. Number 5 Frigidaire FF Rho 822R1 8000 BTUs. Product are best to splurge upon. Whenever we talk about some of the best brands that manufacture air conditioner, compact air conditioner, multi-speed electronic controls, 8000 BTUs cooling capacity. Number 4 Coldfront WTC 8001W 8000 BTUs. The technological advanced device designed for all users. The next in the list comes from Coldfront, which comprises every feature required. 8000 BTUs cooling, 4-way air directional louvers, 2-year warranty. Number 3 Honeywell MM14CHC air conditioner becomes the favorite of all. Being compact in size and perfect in weight and dimensions, Honeywell AC heater combo seems a great product to ponder upon. More appealingly, 14,000 BTUs portable air conditioner. No bucket design. Digital LED display. Number 2 Haier HP N14XHM14,000 BTU air conditioner. Features, all contribute to making the AC heater combo perfect for daily use. Coming with the wheels, you can move it around easily and comfortably. Cools rooms 350 to 525 square feet. 12K air conditioner. Temperature display. Number 1 Coldfront Walk 12001W 12,000 BTUs comes from Coldfront again, which is known for manufacturing high-grade air conditioners and heaters. Utilizing 220-volt, the motor of the device is powerful enough to provide you the required temperature. This portable air conditioner and heater combo is best for any household or office use. 450-550 square foot coverage area. 2-year warranty. Installation hardware.